So students, let's try to solve one more problem from IIT JAM, and this is from Special Theory of Relativity, and this is from actually time dilation, and it is given that muon are unstable relativistic particle created at the high altitude above the earth having lifetime that is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 6 second in their rest frame. So this lifetime is given in the rest frame of muon. So we have to be careful about this one. As measured by the observer on the ground, the minimum velocity of muon required to travel at a distance 6000 meter is v. So you have to calculate v by c. So we can assume this is earth and this is the height where muon is created. So let's say this is L0 and this is given by 6000 meter. So this height is given with respect to earth, and muon is coming towards earth and it has a lifetime, and this lifetime is the proper time because it is measured from rest frame of muon. So when you will measure the lifetime from the rest frame of muon, then you will measure proper time. So this is proper time. So the observer who is standing on earth or who is rest on the earth frame will see this lifetime is dilated. So this lifetime for this particular person who is on the earth will find tau, and this tau is nothing, tau naught root under 1 minus beta square. Beta is v by c, as you know. So what will be the distance formula? The distance formula is very simple. V into tau is equal to L naught. So this is your distance formula. If the particle have a speed v, then you have this particular distance formula, and we have to calculate v upon c. So v upon c is equal to tau naught root under 1 minus beta square is equal to L naught by c. I am just dividing c on both sides. So we have beta into tau must be equal to L naught by c root under 1 minus beta square. So we have to calculate the value of beta. So what we will do, we will just square on both sides and we will separate the value of beta. So what we will get? We will get beta is equal to L naught by c and root under that value is tau naught square plus L naught square upon c square. So this is the value you can easily calculate, and when you will calculate this value, putting the value of L naught is equal to 6000 meter and tau naught is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 6, then this value is 0.994 and the value is approximately 0.994. So it's a very simple question, straightforward, but you have to always take care that with respect to earth, the distance will be proper time. With respect to earth, the time will be dilated time, and with respect to muon, the time will be proper time, but distance will be contracted distance. So you have to just keep this thing in your mind, and then you can solve this problem in a very easy form. Thank you.